Hello guys, my name is João. I live here in Brazil. Today I'm going to make a delicious recipe, a cream corn cake recipe. This recipe is very easy, don't worry. These all ingredients I'm going to use. Corn, 1 cup of corn, 2 cups of sugar, 3 eggs, 3 cups of milk, Parmesan cheese, 3 tablespoons with flour, 2 tablespoons margarine, 1 tablespoon yeast. So this is the corn I will choose to make the cake. Now put all ingredients in blender, but less the yeast now. Put all milk, 3 cups, eggs, Parmesan cheese, margarine, corn, 1 cup of corn. I beat all ingredients for 3 minutes. And finally, put the yeast. And the last time, put the yeast and beat for 1 minute. Look, very delicious. And now I will taste. Very cream. Tasted it. E agora estou indo provar. Uma delícia. Oh, very delicious. I want more. Do you want to? Look. This cake has 2 layers. Please. So if you liked my video, please subscribe, share with your friends, and follow me. See you later. Bye.